the quiet of the evening glow, when shadows dance and whispers flow, we stand at the edge, hearts wide open. In the stillness, dreams are spoken. The world is vast, a tapestry bright, the threads of courage woven through the night. We leave behind the weight of yesterday, embrace the dawn, let it light our way. With every heartbeat we're drawing near to the promise of tomorrow, banishing fear. The road ahead may twist and turn, but in our hearts the fire will burn. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn, with every breath we're reborn. Through the storms and the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold in this journey of 1,000 stories told. With hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the skies, side by side. As the stars begin to fade away, we'll gather strength for the coming day. With every challenge that lies ahead, we'll paint our dreams in shades of red. No more shadows, no more chains. In the dance of life, we'll break the reins. With open arms, we'll face the sun. In the symphony, we're all as one. With every heartbeat, we're drawing near to the promise of tomorrow, banishing fear. The road ahead may twist and turn, but in our hearts the fire will burn. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn, with every breath we're reborn. Through the storms and the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold in this journey of 1,000 stories told. With hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the skies, side by side, by side. In the silence, hear the echoes of dreams unfulfilled, of untold fates. Thought we'll shatter the limits, we'll rewrite the rules. With the heart of a lion, we'll rise above fools. For every moment lost, there's a chance to regain. In the fire of our spirits, we'll dance in the rain. Together we'll stand, unyielding, unbowed. With the strength of the countless, we'll roar, we'll be loud. We'll rise on the wings of the dawn, with every breath we're reborn. Through the storms and the darkest night, we'll find our way, we'll chase the light. Together we're unstoppable, we'll break the mold in this journey of 1,000 stories told. With hope as our compass, love as our guide, we'll soar through the skies, side by side. And when the horizon is painted in gold, we'll gather the memories, the stories we hold. In the laughter and tears, the lessons we've learned. With each step we take, our passion is burned. The world may challenge, but we'll never fall. With the strength of our dreams, we can conquer it all. So let's raise our voices, let's sing out loud in the choir of the birds. Underneath the silver moon, our hearts align. In the quiet of the night, your eyes shine. Every whispered secret, every soft embrace. With you by my side, I found my place. The world fades away, it's just you and me. In this moment, I'm finally free. So let's dance to the rhythm of our hearts. Together forever, we'll never be apart. With every step, every glance, we ignite. Our love is a fire burning so bright. In this eternal dance, we'll sway and spin. With you in my arms, I know I'll always win. Days turn into nights, seasons change, But my love for you will never feel strange. Through every storm and sunny day, I promise to love you in every way. Your laughter is my melody, sweet as a song. In the symphony of love we both belong. So let's dance to the rhythm of our hearts. Together forever, we'll never be apart. With every step, every glance, we ignite. Our love is a fire burning so bright. In this eternal dance, we'll sway and spin. With you in my arms, I know I'll always win. When the night is dark and the road feels long, I'll be your light, your favorite song. Hand in hand through thick and thin, with every heartbeat, our love will begin. We'll write our story, page by page. With love as our ink, we'll break every cage. So let's dance to the rhythm of our hearts. Together forever, we'll never be apart. With every step, every glance, we ignite. Our love is a fire burning so bright. In this eternal dance, we'll sway and spin. With you in my arms, I know I'll always win. So take my hand and hold it tight. In this dance of love, we find our light. Through every heartbeat, in joy and in strife. With you, my darling, I found my life. Forever we'll dance, make this moment last. In the book of our love, we'll write our own cast. Our hearts in sync, a beautiful trance. Together forever in this eternal dance. So let's dance to the rhythm of our hearts. Together forever, we'll never be apart. With every step, every glance, we ignite. Our love is a fire burning so bright. In this eternal dance, we'll sway and spin. With you in my arms. Neon glow, heartbeats racing, ready to go. The world's a canvas, painted bright. We're dancing shadows, lost in the night. Every heartbeat's a countdown. Feel the magic spinning and around. We'll chase the stars, let go of the past. In this electric moment, we'll make it last. Grab my hand, let's break away. No regrets in this wild ballet. We'll write our story page by page. With every laugh, we'll set the stage. We're living in electric dreams, chasing the fire, bursting at the seams. With every whisper, every scream, we're unstoppable, we're a dream team. Feel the rhythm, let it ignite. Together we'll shine, shining so bright. In this moment we're alive. Electric dreams we will thrive. The music's pumping, hearts align. In the crowd you're forever mine. Lost in the sound, we'll take the lead. This love's a wildfire, it's all we need. We'll dance through shadows, light the way. In the chaos we'll always stay. With every glance the spark ignites. We're the champions of these nights. So grab my hand, let's break away. No regrets in this wild ballet. We'll write our story page by page. With every life we'll set the stage. We're living in electric dreams, chasing the fire, bursting at the seams. With every whisper, every scream, we're unstoppable, we're a dream team. Feel the rhythm, let it ignite. Together we'll shine, shine so bright. In this moment we're alive. Electric dreams we will thrive. When the world gets heavy and shadows fall, we'll rise together, we'll never stop. With every heartbeat we're breaking through. This is our anthem, me and you. So let's light the night with colors so bold. With every story together we'll unfold. No limits here, just endless. electric love will always rise. We're living in electric dreams, chasing the fire, bursting at the seams. With every whisper, every scream, we're unstoppable, we're a dream team. We feel the rhythm, light ignite. Together we'll shine, shine so bright. In this moment we're alive. Electric dreams we will thrive. So here we are, under the stars. This love's a journey, it's written in the bars. With every heartbeat, we'll break the night. In electric dreams, everything feels right. Forever we'll dance, forever we'll glow. In this electric world, we'll let it flow. We're living in electric dreams, together forever, or so it seems. In the silence before the dawn, where the shadows and the dreams are drawn, we gather strength, we raise our voice in the echoes of a whispered choice. The world is vast, a canvas wide. With every heartbeat we'll take the ride. Through the storms and through the flames, we'll rise anew, unbroken, untamed. With every tear we'll find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar unchained, unbound. In the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night. Our vision is clear. Together we'll run where the wild winds blow. Chasing horizons, we'll never let go. Through the echoes of a garden song, we find our way where we belong. In the whispers of the night, we'll ignite. With every step we'll chase the light. Fires of passion burn in our souls. With every heartbeat we'll take the ride. Through the storms and through the flames, we'll rise anew, unbroken names. We'll rise anew. We'll rise anew, unbroken. Oh, with every tear we find our way, turning darkness into light of day. Our spirits soar unchained, unbound. In the heart of chaos, hope is found. We're chasing horizons where the sky meets the sea. With our dreams as our compass, we'll set ourselves free. Through the valleys of doubt, over mountains of fear, we'll light up the night.